Hi there, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Saturday, May the 21st, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku with 3 stars, and we have 2 puzzles left: the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. And it's time for the binary for you. And this will be number 4586. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1 double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. And then double 1. Here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then we need to compare. I cannot compare this row. We have here double 1, but this is different. And how about 1001? No. This one I cannot compare, so we need to compare the columns. Do we have here double 1 here? Here. No. This one I cannot compare. How about double O? Double O, 1, 1, 1. Oh, yes. This one and the second one. Empty box. Oh, 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh, 1, 1. Empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O there. This should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright. Great binary with 1 time comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. A tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.